Hey guys, welcome back to our fourth video in our garage build series. In this video we are hanging the OSB sheathing on the structure. If this is your first time tuning in, I encourage you to go check out our previous three videos where we cover the foundation and framing. For our building we went with 7/16 OSB, and you'll see us nailing it here in accordance with the building inspector, what they dictated on our plans. Very helpful to have three hands here, pretty much Brooke and I and her dad here throughout the day to hang it, and pretty straightforward process as well. Just snap a few chalk lines and cut it to length and nail it in. One neat thing I learned, I never realized that OSB had a grid painting on it. So if you see that black grid, it lines up, or should line up, with your framing stud, so you can see it here. For most of them, that the studs on the top line pretty much perfectly with that black line, so it gives you a clear area of where to send those nails to hang the sheets. The walls on this project are 10 feet high, so two 4x8 sheets stacked on their sides gave us 8 feet. So we wrapped around the whole building with the first two layers before lunch, and then took a break, and then ended up ripping a 4x8 sheet down in half to finish up the last 2 feet. So you'll see us go around again and hang that last 2 feet here shortly. You're in a great shot. Great shot.
Yeah. Oh, we got grass right now.
Back in, bro.
Yeah, I can feel my neck. Might be done.
Once we had all the sheets of plywood ripped in half, it was around the building once more to hang this last 2 feet of sheathing. Again, pretty simple, following the grid and just following the nailing pattern that was prescribed in our plans. here's another little trick that we used. Instead of trying to measure right up into and around the window openings, we sheathed right across them. Then drilled a hole big enough to get a router bit into it, and then just ran the router against the framing for a nice flush finish around the whole outside edge. So that does it for this day. We finished up by the afternoon, and it was about the 4th day on this project, I believe, if I remember correctly. All in preparation for the next day, where we hang the trusses right here that you see in the bottom of the frame, which will also be our next video, so stay tuned. It's probably the one I'm most excited for. It was a fun, a little bit stressful, but mostly fun day.